different day. That pump was bad. Had to order a new pump. Right now, have it evacuating for the first 15 minutes. Pulling it down. Then I'm gonna shut it off and see if the system holds pressure after like 15 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been about 15 minutes. I just shut the pump off. Right now, we're still holding. Gonna come back in about 45 minutes. And just make this, hopefully it's still holding. And if it is, then you know, the repair went good. Well, at least the fittings are holding good. All right, I'm back. It's been about 50 minutes. Low side, still holding great. And the high side, which is where I add the condenser, is also holding great. So vacuum side is good. All right, we're back. Vacuumed it out again for another hour. And now I have it hooked up to refrigerant. No additives or anything. Blowing out ice cold. You can't tell on camera, but it's blowing cold. We got cold AC again. Max cool. Temps are a little bit warmer because the whole condenser's in front of the radiator now, but